York County in southwestern Maine, Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, Stratford County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, Belknap County in central New Hampshire, Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles west of Irmonton near Canterbury to 7 miles southwest of Seabrook, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Manchester, Concord, Derry, Rochester, Portsmouth, Laconia, Hampton, Durham, Exeter, Kittery, Franklin, Alfred, Sanford, Plymouth, Salem, Moulton Ossipee, Meredith, Northwood, and Grafton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 89 between mile marker 0 and 8. Interstate 93 near mile marker 6, between mile markers 8 and 16, and between mile markers 26 and 88. Interstate 95 between mile markers 1 and 24. Interstate 95 in New Hampshire between mile markers 1 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: York, Maine, and the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, Grafton, Merrimack, Rockingham, and